DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I have an unboxing that I want to do, and this is some surprise friend mail via CraftingWithNCInvites. If you guys do not watch her channel, you are missing out. She has some of the most epic Tuesday morning hauls and shop with me's. Like, her Tuesday morning, I've never seen anything like it at my store. So I want to go ahead and open this up. Pull it out. Okay, this way. But yeah, you guys, she is such a sweetheart. She does giveaways on her channel, which that in itself, I'm just, oh my goodness, no way. Oh my goodness. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Look at this gorgeous card. Oh, wow. Oh, Natalie. Thank you. Oh my goodness. So, she gifted me, obviously, Maggie Holmes. But oh my goodness, I love this so much. And I think Crafting with Liller has showed how she did one of these. So I have been wanting to try this. So I'm going to have to go ahead and do my own little rendition of this. Oh my goodness, Natalie. Wow, guys. This is the carousel pad. Like, y'all really be watching these hauls and just, this is like, wow. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Oh my, I cannot find this. Like, when I say I can't find this anywhere, I can't find it. I have the digital. I haven't even printed that off. But I've been wanting the pad. Like, I've been trying my best to collect all of the 6x6 or the 12x12 pads of the Maggie Holmes collections that I can find. But I have some plans for this one, and I really wanted to have it. I like to have the pads because when I print them off for digital sheets, I like to look back at the original for reference. Oh my goodness, Natalie, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And no way! Yay! This is the chipboard. Okay, so I have 0 chipboard pieces of Maggie Holmes, period. Like, zip, zilch, 0, nada, none. I do have a tutorial that I want to show you guys. I've been testing something out to show you how I can make it because I don't have any. Oh, okay, I am so excited. Natalie, thank you so very much. This was so sweet of you, so kind of you, and you did not have to do it. I genuinely appreciate you watching my channel, supporting my videos. You know, I try to watch and comment on as many of yours as I possibly can. Wow, thank you. Like, y'all know it's a hunt looking for this stuff. Y'all know that. So I am going to hoard, cherish, and hold on to this stuff because I can't believe I have it. After all this hunting and stuff, someone just genuinely decides that they want to be so sweet and kind and just gift it to me. Like, wow. Thank you so very much, Natalie. I am so, I know once I get done this, I am going to sit here and just be looking at it. I can't be the only one that when we get these papers and stuff like this, that we just sit there. Like, I need to look at all the details. So thank you so much, Natalie. I truly appreciate you. If you do not watch Crafting with NC Invites, you guys, you need to. She does not just the Tuesday morning hauls, but she does do tutorials. She was one of the ones that I watched with the foil quill that I'm still debating on getting, but she does have a tutorial with that. She made some of the most gorgeous Easter embellishments, like the little chocolate bunny with the I think they were leather bows. My mouth hit the floor when I watched that video. But, oh my goodness, thank you so much, Natalie. And I hope that you don't mind if I send something back. I know you didn't do it to get anything back. But this is like, wow, thank you. Thank you all so much for watching. I want to try to get in contact with Natalie. So I will see you all in the next video. As always, and until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a greatest day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.